Now today it's been a very windy day, especially along and just east of the Rocky Mountain front. 4 miles south-southeast of Bynum, a peak wind gust of 106 miles per hour, and that is a Category 2 hurricane force wind gust. Browning had strong winds as well, peak wind gust of 94 miles per hour. Near Choteau, we had a peak wind gust of 85 miles per hour. Cut Bank had a peak wind gust of 75 miles per hour, and Sunburst had a peak wind gust of 70 miles per hour. It will continue to be very windy overnight tonight and tomorrow morning, and then another round of even stronger wind than today is expected on Wednesday. A high wind warning is in effect for basically all of north central Montana and portions of central Montana through tomorrow morning. Gusts over 90 miles per hour will be possible along the Rocky Mountain front, while we could see gusts up to 70 miles per hour east of the Rocky Mountain front. And then another high wind warning is in effect for all of north central Montana, portions of central and southwestern Montana for most of the day on Wednesday. Along the Rocky Mountain front, gusts over 80 miles per hour likely, with a few gusts over 100 miles per hour possible once again. Elsewhere, we could be seeing gusts between 70 and 80 miles per hour. It's going to be a very nasty and strong wind on Wednesday. Definitely avoid traveling if you can, especially if you are in a high-profile vehicle. There's also a high wind watch in effect for most of northeastern Montana and portions of western Montana for most of the day on Wednesday and Wednesday night, as we could see gusts up to 65 miles per hour in those locations. It is still very windy right now, especially along and just east of the Rocky Mountain front. As we go through tonight, widespread windy conditions are expected. Gusts over 70 miles per hour possible along the Rocky Mountain front. Gusts over 60 miles per hour possible east of the Rocky Mountain front. Tomorrow it's going to be windy during the morning. The wind will die down some as the day goes on, but gusty winds are expected throughout the afternoon and the evening. The wind will then pick back up as we head into tomorrow night. And again, it's going to be a nasty wind on Wednesday. Wind damage is likely. We're talking about widespread gusts over 70 miles per hour throughout basically all of north central Montana, with some locations seeing wind gusts over 80, even over 90 miles per hour. So definitely avoid traveling if you can, especially if you are in a high-profile vehicle. And if you do have anything that easily can blow away, make sure you bring that indoors. On the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, we have had a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day today, and it has been dry. Most of the precipitation today has been along and west of the Continental Divide, just a few light rain showers out east of I-15 out across the plains. And we still have a lot of moisture throughout the Pacific Northwest, and multiple disturbances will be working their way through Montana as we go through this week. So at times we are going to have a chance to see some precipitation. Overnight tonight, we are going to have partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. There will be some rain and snow along the Continental Divide. Elsewhere, we are going to have dry conditions. Tomorrow, more of the same, some rain and snow along the Continental Divide at times. East of the Rocky Mountain front and Continental Divide, it should be mostly dry, but a few rain and sun showers will be possible on the eastern half of the high line later in the day. We are going to have partly to mostly sunny skies throughout the day. As we go through tomorrow night and into Wednesday, scattered rain and snow showers are expected, with the most snow accumulation occurring along the Rocky Mountain front, specifically in the glacier area. That's where a winter storm watch is in effect. 1 to 5 inches of snow below pass level, with 4 to 15 inches of snow possible above pass level. In the lower elevations east of the Rocky Mountain front, maybe a quick coating to an inch in spots, but for most of us, little to no snow accumulation is expected. A mild night tonight. Low temperatures are going to be in the 30s and the 40s. Cooler tomorrow than it was today, but still above average for this time of year, with highs in the 40s and low 50s.